Brown, a Homeworks by Precept consultant. I'd like to introduce you to the 5th edition of Exploring Themes in Literature, which is typically taught in conjunction with the Writing and Grammar curriculum for grade 7. In the parent-led subject kit are included a 2-volume teacher's edition, your student work text, test, and answer keys. Let's take a look and see what's inside this book. The 5th edition of Exploring Themes in Literature is just full of some fantastic pieces of literature that have really captured my boys' imaginations and made reading so much more interesting for them. There are a total of 6 themed units in the book. You're going to notice that as a junior high course, there is going to be more reading included, a lot more reflection, and writing actually included in the literature program. These 6 themed units are on love, community, transformation, purpose, perseverance, and justice. There's actually a wide variety of pieces of literature that are included in the curriculum from different time periods, different cultures, different genres, everything from short stories, historical fiction, poems, narrative nonfiction. There's a little even Calvin and Hobbes in there for those who enjoy comics. Some memoirs, science fiction, speeches. They're going to be reading the Christmas address given by Queen Elizabeth back in 1957. Covers a wide variety of topics, and every unit has a theme. And at the beginning of that unit is going to be a 2-page spread of artwork, and then also a question that they're going to be reflecting on throughout their reading. How do I know if love is real? Is the question for the Unit 1 chapter on love. Every reading is broken up into 3 different parts. There's going to be the before reading section, the during reading section, and the after reading. Before reading, they're going to have different sections. They're going to tell them what genre they're going to be focusing on. There's going to be a big overarching question that they should be asking or looking for the purpose of the writing in this particular piece of literature. For instance, the question for this piece is, how do I know when I love others more than myself? It actually gives them a goal for their reading of that particular piece. There's usually going to be some background information that's going to be helpful for them in thinking about this piece of literature. The author craft is actually going to go over sections of things that perhaps would just help them a little bit, like what is conflict? What's the resolution of conflict within a piece of literature? It's also going to go over the reader's craft. Sometimes those are skills of how to read more diligently, more critically, looking how to find information within that particular piece. And every author's craft and reader's craft are different for every piece of literature. It helps develop our students' critical thinking skills as they read these pieces of literature and then reflect on them. Also at the bottom is going to be a section of vocabulary. These are typically words that they may not have seen before. The vocabulary is going to be listed out here, and then within the actual piece of literature itself, they're going to see the actual vocabulary word again along with a definition. That helps them to be able to read more fluently. The during the reading section of each piece of literature is when they actually read. They're going to have those vocabulary words to refer to. There's also going to be questions asked throughout the reading. For instance, do you think Mr. Peters will use these wishes wisely, and why or why not? Taking information that they have read and then making inferences from what they have read. This helps them also to read a little more carefully as they go along. At the end of every reading is going to be the after reading section. Every after reading section has a think and discuss section. This makes for wonderful discussion points whenever you're talking to your students about what they've read and their reactions and reflections on that material. Always included there is going to be just a little blurb about the author of that particular piece and give some pertinent information on them. At the end of every unit, there's going to be a writing reflection section that's going to give your student an opportunity to answer that question that was posed at the beginning of the unit. In this case, how do I know if love is real? They're going to go through the planning, the drafting, the revising, proofreading, and publishing stages, gathering the information that they have learned through those particular pieces that have dealt on love, helping them to write, in this particular instance, a reflective essay on how do you know if love is real. They're going to be able to use specific examples, details, and quotations from the text that they've read to be able to support their definition of what love is. At the end of every unit is also a unit review, which helps your student to prepare for the test. Sometimes it's just over literary terms, perhaps, that they have learned during that chapter, or true-false questions about the pieces that they've read, or short answer, or multiple choice. By giving this the day before the test, it allows you to see, are there any things that you need to go back and review before taking the test? These are very helpful. There's also opportunities for them to do some writing on their reflections on what they have read. My boys have also appreciated that not only is this a literature book in which the pieces of literature were carefully chosen, but the artwork is also very attractive. The pieces are laid out in such a way that it's not overwhelming or doesn't even have the feel of reading like an entire book, but it's laid out in a way that's very attractive. And my boys have appreciated just being able to look through their books at times. I appreciate the focus on choosing good pieces of literature that get our children to thinking about our world from a biblical perspective. So much of the literature that is written is just a reflection of what is going on in the hearts and minds of the people in the culture. And our children need to be able to look at those through a biblical lens and come to conclusions that are going to draw them to be more Christ-like in their own thinking and in their own communication. We trust the literature program is a blessing to you as it has been to us.